So AI and UX design is really um, revolutionizing things in 2025, right? It's not just about
Mm.
pretty interfaces anymore. It's about data-driven, efficient, and super personalized user experiences.
Absolutely. It's like the design process has evolved from manual guesswork to smart automated insights. What really stands out is how AI is automating research, like collecting tons of user data without designers manually doing surveys.
Exactly, and it's kind of like having a research assistant who never
Yeah.
sleeps, analyzing user patterns, creating personas, and even suggesting design tweaks in real time.
And that's a game changer, particularly when you look at personalization. Designers can now deliver interfaces that adapt dynamically based on each user's behavior. Isn't that pretty cool?
Totally, it's like designing a custom suit, but for every single
Right?
user. These AI tools are making prototypes and wireframes come together so much faster.
Speaking of tools, it's really impressive how platforms like Figma, now with AI plugins, and Wizard are reshaping the creative process. They're turning sketches into digital designs almost instantly.
Yeah, and there's Adobe Sensei too, which helps with smart image editing and auto layout adjustments. It's like um, having an extra brain to handle the tedious parts of design,
Mm.
so designers can focus more on creativity.
But here's a thought. While AI tools speed up prototyping, isn't there a risk of losing that human touch in design? I mean, sometimes the best design comes from deep human empathy.
That's a fair point. I respect that perspective. However, the AI here is more of a partner. It's analyzing usability, providing heat maps, and even suggesting tweaks based on real-time data, not replacing the creative spark.
Right.
Designers still call the shots.
I see. So it enhances rather than replaces human intuition in design. Now, about career trends, how do these AI tools affect job prospects in UX?
Well, AI proficiency is like um, a superpower in today's job market. Companies are eyeing professionals who can blend creativity with AI analytics.
Yeah,
It's paving the way for roles like UX strategists, design leads, even AI product managers.
and that probably explains the push for training institutes, right? Felix-IT Systems, for instance, is being highlighted for their AI plus UX courses across Pune, Mumbai, and Ahmedabad.
Exactly. They're offering an AI-enhanced curriculum that covers everything from Figma AI to Adobe Sensei, paired with real projects and
Mm.
hands-on experience. That kind of practical learning really bridges the gap between theory and the fast-paced industry.
It's fascinating how these courses also offer job assistance, making it um, an all in one package. But don't you think we're relying too much on AI, potentially stunting creative growth?
I get your skepticism, but I think it's more of an evolution. Designers are leveraging AI much like a power tool. It boosts productivity while still letting creativity shine.
Right?
It's about working smarter, not harder.
True. And as AI continues to mature within the UX space, we'll likely see even more tailored experiences and innovative design methodologies.
Absolutely. From automated research to dynamic prototyping and, personalized user journeys, AI is truly transforming UX design in 2025. It's
Yeah,
an exciting time for designers.
for sure. It's like witnessing a whole new era in design efficiency and creativity. I'm eager to see where this journey takes us.